Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel all about insurance. In previous video, we discussed what is household insurance. And now in this video we are going to discuss what is contents insurance. Content insurance covers the financial cost of repairing or replacing your household personal possessions and finishing such as curtains, furniture, white goods or stereo, TV, computers and other electrical appliances, clothing, jewelry, sporting equipment and even toys. This insurance covers household items belonging to you and to the family members who live with you. These policies may also include items such as sporting gear or motorized vehicles, but not include items permanently attached to the building or insure address or portable items you might take outside your home. You can take out extra cover to protect things like jewelry, cameras, mobile phones, and other sporting equipment from accidental loss or damage. These policies do not usually include cover for items friends or visitors bring into your premises, unless you list their names on the policy. Content insurance is suitable for homeowners and renters. Homeowners can purchase it as stand-alone product or buy it in combination with home insurance as a home contents policy. Content insurance is suitable for homeowners and renters. Homeowners can purchase it as stand-alone products or buy it in combination with home insurance as home content policy. Renters can also purchase low-cost renters insurance policy. If you're a renter or tenant, your possessions are not covered by your landlord's insurance policies. So now let's discuss what are the types of contents insurance. There are two types of content insurance are replacement value and new for all. Most policies offer consumers new for all cover. This means you are covered for the full cost of replacing costs or damaged positions with new possessions, which have a higher dollar value. You will generally pay a higher premium for older cover. A replacement value insurance covers only the value of your possessions and the value of most items depreciate each year. That is why it is important to review your policy regularly and ensure your insurance is up to the date. To find an insurance that offers these types of policies, visit an insurance site. And the next topic is what are you covered for? You can choose different levels of cover under a content policy. The least expensive option, which gives you the bare minimum of cover, is defined events policy, which would typically only cover your belongings if they are lost through defined events such as fire if you are burned. For such much broader level of coverage, policies that includes accidental damage will protect you against the cost of incidents such as accidental breakage or even a stain on a lawn or carpet. Some contents policies may also give you the option to cover some of your personal possessions or valuable away from home, such as sports equipment, jewelry, or cameras, though there is usually a limit of unspecified items. Check with your insurer to see what strictly apply. Most content policies have fixed, unfixed, or flexible limits on how much you can normally claim for certain items. For example, your item contents policy may only pay you the $500 for a ring, even if it would cost $200,000 to replace. Valuable items may need it to be insured for a higher specific value or listed separately under your policy, otherwise they might not be covered for their full value or may be excluded from a claim. It's important that you get a separate evaluation of for expensive items such as jewelry and make sure they are listed individually in your policy. You may need to pay an additional premium to properly insure all valuable items. You should also declare anything that could be classified as a collection to your insurer, such as DVDs, rare books, or stamps. So this is all about what is contents insurance. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.